haven't seen you in a long.
So this is the wig that we'll be using to do today's reinstall. As you guys can see, it is a standard cap construction with 4 combs and adjustable straps. So what I'm going to do now is basically just to turn this over to the lace portion and spray it with my little DIY lace tint that I made, which is with my foundation and alcohol, and I'm just going to spray this on the lace and then rub it in with the back of my comb and take my blow dryer on warm hair to dry this before I do the install. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my bald cap method off camera. So if you guys want to see a video of me doing that, you can go ahead and comment down below and let me know. This is what the wig is looking like after it is dried, after I did my little DIY lace tint. So the glue that I'll be using today is the bold old adhesive. Before I even start gluing down, what I'm going to do is get my skin protector, also from Bordeaux, and just spray it on my cotton pad. And I already used a bit of alcohol, so I'm just going in with my skin protector before I start to glue down this lace.
Don't know why you keep calling me. I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone.
After I apply the glue, I'm just going to go in with my popsicle stick to spread the glue. So while I'm spreading both on the cap as well as on my skin.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on, hooking up with someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past.
After I finish spreading the glue with the popsicle stick, what I'm going to do is to get my blow dryer and cool hair to dry this down. When you know that it is dried is when the glue is clear and it gets tacky. And I am going to do 3 layers of this before I apply my lace.
I don't know why you keep calling me.
This is what it's supposed to look like when it's dried. You can see that it is clear and tacky. Okay, so now that the glue is ready to be applied to, I'm just going to be pulling down the lace on top of it. Now it's time to apply the wig, and I'm going to apply the center first, simply because doing this, it's easier to get the sides to stick as opposed to moving from side to side. And if you notice how I lay the lace on top of the glue and into the glue, even though you see me using my fingers here, I would advise that you use a comb, because sometimes when you use your fingers as a beginner, it will leave these white marks and it's going to make your install look amateur.
Not the old me, you think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh.
Okay, so this is a few minutes after I went, and you see I put on a little makeup and thing. And this is what the lace is looking like after everything is done. So I'm just going to get my hot comb and lay the front of my hair and my baby hair.
Calling me, what makes you think I would go back? Why would I wanna try again? You're not listening, no. You keep saying you change, but we both know people don't change. It's time to let me go. Why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself.
So this is like about 10 or 15 minutes after. So let's see if these are ready. Look at that. So like, yeah. What I'm going to do today is, I think I'm gonna do a pullback look. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a pullback look. So I'm just going to wet my hair with some condition water.
Keep calling me. What makes you think I would go back? Why would I wanna try again? You're not listening, no. You keep saying you change, but we both
I'm going to go in with my
change. It's time to let me go. Why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my.
So this is what the finished look is looking like. Like the baby ears that come through to the nine, like they come through. Like this install is everything. Like when I say everything, I mean everything. Like I just done like that, like period. Like period. Like if you watch the video to this far and you think that I slayed this install, like I want you to go ahead and comment in the comment section, period. You know, like period. So this is what the back is looking like. Like I love this install. Like what lace? Y'all see any lace? What lace? I'll make sure to leave the link and details to this lace, to this wig, and everything that I used down below in the description box. So if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and check out the description box for all the info.